Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to try tonight is a different grind altogether. What I've got going on here is I got a piece of 70-75 aluminum, so I could play with my rake angles just a little bit. What I've done, I've kept the same 10-degree front relief. This time I've gone with a 12-degree back relief and the same old 10-degree front relief, and we're going to go against some 70-75 aluminum. And that is at 850 RPMs. And being aluminum as it is, we can run it a lot faster. So let's go ahead and speed this up a little bit here. Take a second pass. This tool is having no problems with 70-75. So what this ends up to be is a 22-degree included angle. That cuts very nicely there. So, just for giggles here, we'll go ahead and change to the next speed. And just for good measure, let's put it down here on slow speed. Now, as you can see, out of all of these speeds, this Unimat likes to run this particular tool. That is at I guess this 850 RPMs seems to be the best. Any more than that, it seems to get just a little bit of high-speed chatter. Doesn't seem to translate into the finish very much, but you can hear it more than you can feel it. And it's peeling the 70-75 right off. I don't really consider aluminums most of the time much of a challenge other than drilling. Turning is usually pretty nice. And there we go. That is a 10-degree front rake, 12-degree top rake, 10-degree front rake. And that is going up against the 7075. Again, another mirror-like finish. Yes, just beautiful all the way around. I have not used this tool grind before. This is just something I brainstormed just actually a half an hour ago, and I thought I'd put it up against this 7075, and as you can see, it did very well. Thanks for watching.